Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on the application of Yazio. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Yazio and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.